Hello and welcome to Tash Life 2. I'm Tash and today we're out in the garden again. Same day as the last video but different garden. So I'll take you over and show you what we're going to do. Okay, so this is the passion fruit bed. We've got all these raspberries. I have pulled all the mint out and here is the herbs, garlic chives, rosemary and oregano, I think, that I took out of the other bed over there that way when I emptied it. So this is all raspberry. It's just gone crazy. Ouch. So there's this bed that I've planted corn and potatoes in before, and my partner did plant some corn in there before he passed, but it didn't really eventuate. I think it was the wrong time of year. So we're going to tackle this bed today. And I filled my bin up already, so I'm just going to put it all in the wheelbarrow. So we're going to plant these blueberries in that spot. We have sunshine blue and peach sorbet. And I did notice, I wonder if these are ready. That one came off. That one not quite. So I'm going to just try it. Oh, it's got sort of a minty taste to it. There was another one that I saw at Bunnings that had, it was pink icing or something like that it was called. But we'll see how these go first. This is not my first time at trying blueberries. I have failed at it before. So we're going to put some of this in the dirt, in the soil, because that bed hasn't been used for a while. I've got this left over from yesterday or the weekend when I was doing the lawns and the yards, so we'll put some of that in, and we'll put some of this in because blueberries like a slightly acidic. See, look, there's a blueberry there, so we'll put that in. I didn't do that last time, so maybe that will make all the difference. So I will set you up and we will start getting on with it. that. Those two are in. See, I have room for another one if I want to put another one there. I probably shouldn't have dug that wetter soil in because water's just sitting on top, but I think we'll get there in the end. I do have some sheep poo coming in on the way, because all the beds need to be sheep pooed again. This one, out the front. And I'll show you what I've just noticed. See that? We've got a raspberry. It's our first raspberry of the season. Not quite ready yet, maybe tomorrow. But yeah, yay! Yeah, I can't see any more. Can't see any more of them. But yeah, we still have to cut down this passion fruit. And I'm still trying to clear out the other beds as well, so that I can put my big surprise in there, which I haven't told you about yet. But that's why I'm doing that. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!